Can you explain how the vaccine works?
OK, I actually can. It's demo time. So, OK, Kim and Gethin, you are the cell. Your body is made of cells. Those are the building blocks, all kinds of different cells in your body. But we're going to imagine that you are a cell. OK, now, Kim, you have next to you the nucleus of the cell. That is where your DNA, the instructions for making Kim Marsha in that bowl. OK? Now, that's the nucleus. That's where all the DNA is held and protected. Now, you're going to pull out a loop of that DNA and read it. That's a code. It's made with a 4-letter alphabet, and you're going to read it off. Now, don't worry if you're getting confused by this, because we're drifting towards sort of first-year medical school. But I think it's good that we're doing this. Yeah. OK, so you're going to read the code off that. And that code, let's say Gethin's gone to the gym. He wants to make more muscles. That's the code for Gethin's muscle protein. Once you've read it, you're going to text that message to Gethin, and Gethin is he's not in the nucleus, he's in another part of the cell, and Gethin Jones is playing a ribosome. Could be your big panto role.
I like it.
Next Christmas. So Gethin Jones is a ribosome, and he builds proteins. So Kim's texted Gethin.
Got the message.
That's arrived. Now that text message is mRNA. That is what the vaccine is made of. That's the message that goes from the nucleus to the ribosome. The ribosome makes the protein. So do you want to make a protein there?
OK, so this is making a protein?
Here he goes. It's a little chain of amino acids. Boom, there you go. You've made a muscle protein. That gets muscles. And that is how your DNA turns you into you, right? That's how your DNA works. DNA to messenger RNA to the ribosome, which makes the proteins. This is super complicated for morning telly. I don't think no one talks about ribosomes enough on daytime telly.
I agree with you.
But
I'm with you, though. This makes
OK,
sense.
So far, this is how your body works. Now, the coronavirus vaccine, the one from Pfizer, uses mRNA, but it is not interested in Kim, the nucleus. I'm going to directly send a message. This is the mRNA to Gethin, the ribosome. There you go. I've sent you the message.
So you're the vaccine now.
I'm the vaccine. I've come in, and the vaccine is a little piece of mRNA. It gets into the cell, goes straight to the ribosome, and Gethin, the ribosome, is now going to make a piece of the coronavirus. Go for it, Gethin.
This is it.
The coronavirus is called coronavirus because it has a sort of halo, a crown around it of spikes, and you've just made one of the spikes. Now, that spike is going to exit the cell, be seen by an antibody from your immune system. It's going to be recognised. Your immune system goes, we don't like the look of that. It'll make a lot more antibodies, and then you are immune to coronavirus. And that is how the Pfizer vaccine works. How did we do?
I mean, incredible.
Well done.
It's very, very complicated.
No, but it dispels a lot of the myths that people were talking about on the street with Kim.
Exactly, and it doesn't interfere with your DNA. It doesn't alter your genetics in any way.
Right, and